Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I am making a plant-based barbecue sauce. And so what we'll need here is a few ingredients and a blender. If you don't have a blender, you can usually use a bowl and just whisk the ingredients. But it's better you blend it because everything is well incorporated. So for our recipe, I am using tomato passata. This you can find at Pick n Pay, Checkers. It's actually strained crushed tomatoes, and its tomato puree should be plain. All it should have is salt. And so I'm adding it into our blender. This is actually 690 grams, which is equal to 345 grams. So I added half of this tomato puree into the blender, about 345 grams into the blender. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my ingredients. This is lemon juice. It's best when you use freshly squeezed lemon juice. I don't want to add too much. You want to add enough to taste. So you want to ensure that you balance the sweet and the tart. This is jaggery powder. And you can actually use honey instead of jaggery powder. It's actually more nutritious and healthy for you. And so yeah, that's what you can use. So I'm gonna add this into, I'm not really going to give an exact measurement for the jaggery powder. I'm just going to add and we're going to taste if the flavors are balanced. Then this is nutritional yeast powder. You can also use nutritional yeast flakes. This is some garlic powder. This is oregano. And then other things that you can add onto your tomato, the barbecue sauce that you make is onion powder and some basil. Onion powder and basil add such a delicious flavor onto your barbecue sauce, and so that's exactly what you should add. And so before I blend, I'm going to show you though the ingredient that you can use for ensuring that your barbecue sauce is nice and delicious. This is liquid smoke to give it that smoky flavor and the barbecue type of flavor. This is the liquid smoke. I'm not really sure we can find it, but we sell the liquid smoke, so if you're somewhere close by, you should definitely come get some liquid smoke. So I'm just going to add something like 10 drops of liquid smoke. You don't want to add too much of it because it has a very strong flavor. Then I'm going to close my blender and blend. So we're connecting our blender. And then we're about to blend. Then how can I forget to add salt? I mean guys, you are the salt of the land, guys. Salt, this is Himalayan salt. I'm going to add it to the blender. Salt to taste, you should ensure that it's not too much but not too little. So there are 3 ingredients that you're literally going to be playing around with here. The sugar, the lemon, and the salt. I'm just going to blend this and I'll show you the final result.
Then after blending, we are going to take our barbecue sauce from the blender and just put it into our pot. This is to ensure that our barbecue sauce caramelizes, and the sugar in the barbecue sauce will help it caramelize, and it will bring out the best results. This is where we are. This is how it now looks. It looks more barbecuey than it did before. We literally just gonna transfer it into our container, and this, honestly guys, cooking it makes all the difference. Please make sure that you cook your barbecue sauce.
Then grab a lid, close your barbecue sauce, and you can literally use this on anything when marinating sausage, plant-based guys. And you can just use it like wherever you use barbecue sauce. Definitely use this. It tastes amazing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I know it's been so long since we've posted anything. We do apologize, and hopefully we will be consistent. We'll try posting it more often. Yeah, and
your health on a higher level.